In front of me is Motorola Moto G87, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. First of all, launch your keyboard and tap on this icon of a clipboard at the top of it. Now to activate it, click on this switcher at the top right corner and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Finally, to use clipboard, copy or cut any text. And to paste it instantly, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on clipboard and tap on your text here. Now, it will disappear after an hour unless you pin it. In order to do that, hold your clip and tap on pin. You can unpin it the same way. By holding it, you can also edit it. Then hit save. Paste it. Or delete it. You can always remove it by swiping it to the right or to the left if you wish to do it faster. To manage multiple things at once in Clipboard, use this pen. Tap on them and decide if you want to pin them or remove them. Lastly, to disable Clipboard fully, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!